మీ VMware ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, నో జస్ట్ ఒకసారి యారో అక్కడ తీసుకెళ్ళి సెకండ్ శివ లైనెక్స్ సెకండ్. Okay, now it is right. So just like our Windows operating system, when we are not using, automatically it lock the screen. So how to do it? Just click on the screen, just pull up. Click on the screen and pull up. So already root is login, right? admin@123. Okay, now so this screen locking is normal, like every time the screen will be locked. Like you take a break for 10 minutes, screen will be locked. So first we'll adjust that one in GUI. So in that one only top corner you can see Saturday 15:00 network icon, and there is something is there, no? So check that one. Click out. Settings. Click on that setting button. So you want to do certain settings like a desktop setting and all, so we can do it from here. So left side under setting, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, background, something is there, no, like that. So scroll down. So find out the power options. Click on power option. Okay, so that is a blank screen, 5 minutes. Means you don't touch your Linux PC for 5 minutes. So it will go to blank screen again. So click on that 5 minutes, click on the never. Yeah. So whether you take a 1 hour break also, no problem. But compulsory, don't forget to shut down once finish the business. Now close it. So we have our Linux PC, guys. And first of all, you can try commands directly here. Practice in this one, that is no problem. Okay. But in a reality, remote PC is there. For example, in my server room, I have a Linux server. In my server room, I have my Linux server is there, and I have to access from my regular network from my desktop. In server room, I have a Linux server, but I have to access from here. So that is there, right? So that is remote access. So we can do remote access mainly 3 protocols. One is SSH, Telnet, SSH, Telnet, and RDP, remote desktop protocol. If it is a Windows, remote desktop is okay. If it is a Linux, then we have to use some VNC type. But SSH, Telnet are a text base. Compared to Telnet, SSH is a more secure. SSL is an encrypted format of data sending and receiving. In Telnet, it is not. So SSH protocol number is 22, port number is 22, Telnet port number is 23. So here Linux by default, it is a SSH server. So we will access that server now. So how to set up it, how to create a ticket, keys and all, we'll see. Okay, so first of all, the letters in that window is very smaller. I can't see. Okay, so go to file in this box only, in this terminal only. Go to file. First click on file. Yeah, very good. Then go to edit. So go to edit. So we can run multiple tabs also. Go to edit. There's preferences. Under edit, there is a preferences. Very good. So that is the preferences. Go to gen. Okay. Click on that profile. No, not plus mark. No, don't create new profile. Cancel. Okay. Okay. So go to general. Okay. Then go to unnamed only last. Okay. Unnamed last one. So select that custom font. Custom font. Select that one. Monospace regular 12 means that is or in a font size it is. Now we'll increase to 18. Monospace to select a bold. Select monospace bold. And in bottom you can see 12 minus and plus. Put a plus. Yeah, you can drag it, but it will, yeah, 12, 18 now, good. Okay, that is the size. Select 18, 20, that is also good. Now close that one window. Okay, is it a good visible, right? The letters are clearly we can able to view. Okay, so my personal suggestion, guys, lot of people are like to view in a very small screen like mobile phones, small letters kind of stuff. Better to put it in a visible mode, like which one is eye comfort. You keep seeing a small letters and all. Okay, eye will be damaged, and again you have to put a lot of glasses on it. Okay, so how to easily protect your screen? Luckily it is black and white screen. Very good. So then first of all, put a command like SSH, right? ls space hyphen a. ls space, where is yes? ls, Latif Shaik. Space hyphen s. Hyphen a, hyphen a. A. A means all, including hidden files. Okay? Including hidden files. Enter. See, dot bash profile dot cshrc dot bash rc dot means it is a hidden file or a folder. The blue color one is the color one is folders, and the black and white one is files. Okay, so here are you able to see anything dot ssh folder? No, right? Dot ssh. It is not there. I'm seeing. Okay. Now we are generating a SSH case because SSH communication based on the encryption. So there is a private key and public key is there. Using private and public key, we can able to communicate with the SSH server. Just to show you that one. Okay. So are you okay, guys? Can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
I keep responding. I thought it is my system fault sometimes. Okay. Already we are a problem. Okay. So first one is SSH hyphen keygen. SSH hyphen keygen. Okay. Yeah, that's a good comment. Enter. We're generating a SSH keys and no need to do any changes and all. Okay, enter only, 2 keys will be created. So that is a default location of SSH IDs. Click and enter. Now we got this is RSA 2048. Thumbprint is also showing. There is a key fingerprint is also showing here. Okay, so this is the keys. This is the keys used to communicate for root users in this particular host. Okay, so do not forget that it's a key access, SSH key access. Now put a ls space -a. Yes, much better now. You know how to improve the keyboard skills? 2 ways are there. So .ssh in the corner, first line, last one. Download .local .ssh. Okay. Next one, ls space .ssh. Okay, so can you see 2 files? One is id underscore RSA, another one is id underscore RSA .pub. .pub is public file. First one is your private file. Okay, so one more file will be created. Two type of additional files are there. So usually one file, that is known host file, is there, that will be created. If from this Linux PC, if you access any other device, either it is a Linux or Windows or anything, if you are access from here to other, their key will be stored into your PC, means remote machine, their SSH key store in our PC under the file called a known underscore host. Now it is not there. We are not doing that kind of stuff here. Okay, at least to know these are the basic commands. These are very important when you are using certain tools like a Ansible kind of stuff. Okay, but at least this is how to create a SSH key generation. Check the keys. If you want, you can read those keys also, but I'm not doing that one. And check the IP address. How to check IP address? If config, no spaces, if config. Config. You know, in a Linux, you put a wrong command or some command. I'm not saying wrong command. You put a wrong command. If it is throwing an error, it is good. So immediately try to read the comment and understand. So scroll up, then you will find ENS33 INET, and that is our IP address. See, ENS33 INET. So highlight that one, 192.168.1.213. Okay, so that is this Linux PC IP address. Now I want to access this Linux machine from my physical machine. Okay, I can access it. So 213, right? So last one is 213. So minimize this VMware workstation. Alt Control, then mouse will be removed. Mouse will be released. Okay, and minimize means top corner, that minimize button. No, that one. Top corner minimize button. Yeah, application minimization. Okay, minimize down. Hyphen small one. This one. Slow it in there. That is also down. Okay, guys. From here, using my command line, I can access, but I'm not doing it. I use a Putty. Open a browser. Okay, so open another window. type Putty, Putty. So Putty is a small application and you don't require to install also generally. So it is just click on that one. Just we have to download. So now putty.org, download Putty. That is the correct one. Download Putty. Okay, there you can see. Scroll down, not that page. So scroll down. You can see. Yeah, no. So little up, little Putty. Yeah, here it is. You can see 64 x86 putty.exe, the SSH and telnet client itself. Okay, that is putty.exe. Download the putty.exe. The first one. It is downloading and downloaded also. Click on that folder button. Just go to there. There is a folder. Okay. Yeah, copy that one, put it on a desktop. Okay. So open it. So no need to install, it is directly works. Okay. So now it is by default SSH is selected and port number is there. And for a host name or IP address, put our Linux IP address 192. Dot 168 dot 1 dot 1 sorry 213. Okay, so and what you will do, so you can save this one also. So in this side you can see Windows, under that one appearance. Okay, we can do the remaining thing later. Just click on open. No, just click on open. Yeah, first of all it will ask a security, you want to accept or current ones or like that. Click on accept. Permanently it will store our key. Linux to Windows. Now it is showing a login as, but what you do in that one corner you can see computer symbol, right? 192 is there, no? At 192 there is a small computer symbol. Right click on it. It is very small letters, right? So then go to change settings. Okay, change settings and select under Windows appearance. Left side under Windows window appearance. Font Courier new 10 points change. Okay, select 20 or 18 or 20, both are good. Select 20, otherwise, yeah, that is good. Select bold because we can able to see more thick color. Click OK and just yeah, click apply. See, it is visible, right? So good color. Now login root. We can change background, foreground colors also. Root. Password admin@123. See, this is our root. Okay, so think like this. You have a Linux PC in your server room. Remotely, it is there. If you want to access from here, we can access. Okay. Now Siva has a machine. Siva has a machine. So what I'm doing is I also having a Putty. Siva has a machine, but I have a Putty also in my desktop. So can we can share it? I will share it. It's check in your window. Is my screen showing or your screen is showing? Okay. So this is my Putty, guys, but Linux PC is with Siva only. So So I'm adding, put that IP address here. How it is possible? Linux is multi-user, multitask. We can access, and also we can access one single Linux with the multiple sessions with different, both are in same network, both are in same room, same network. Okay, now yes. So I am going to increase the chain settings. I am putting appearance. So you can use 20 or 22, anything. See, 22 means little bigger. Okay, and I'm also I don't want this color. It is also good color, but I always like my foreground is black, bold foreground also black. First two are black, means in colors. First two are black, the third one is white. So for visibility, and also you can save this session. Means next time I want to open, I can open from directly from my name. Also you can do it, guys, in your system. For example, I am putting name is Shiva Linux. It's a 213 name. It is something, just name. Click save. So next time I open from here only. Apply the settings. Now it is little bigger. Okay. I'm also login as a root. So one root is login directly from Linux machine, another root from that desktop, another root from my desktop. I'm putting who. So same root is login from here, here, and here. Like this is the physical. This is Shiva's PC, and this is showing different IP, but originally it is same IP. Same network, something it is a difference, but three roots are open. One Shiva, that is backside, it is open. For example, guys, I want to open another account. So I am already saved. This is the name. Click on load, just open. So it is. I want to log in as a Shiva. Password is same, like this. See, who, two times. Okay, these two accounts login from same PC. Multi-user, multitasking type. Okay, so like this. If you want to know how to create a user kind of stuff also, we can do it. Whether we tell or not. Yeah, I will tell one example, only one, not user management, just to know how to create a user. Okay. So we'll see. I'm adding a user add. I'm adding username. Okay. So I added a user, but user need a password. Pass WD username. Pass WD username. Be careful, guys. Compulsory you have to give username. Don't put a enter immediately. So pass WD space username. Now user is created, so that's why it is asking put a new password. But my hobby of giving password is username as a password only. Okay, now I have a user. Now multi-user, multitasking. So load, open, again, username, password. See, it is another name. Who? See how many users are login. Okay. So these are the user add and your password. Me parent, what is your Pankaj? Manoj. User add Manoj. Okay, so I added a user and I'm given a password. All authentication token update successfully means password is given correctly. Ignore this bad password kind of stuff. At least 8 characters are required, not having. So you want to log in another putty? Same. Another one. Okay, same. Who? So Manoj is also login from same place. So root, Shiva, Latif, Manoj, 4 users names are there for our login to same PC. Same PC. See, the name is not changing. IP address is not changing. Okay. If you put who am I, the name is there. Okay. So this is your putting. Now you want to exit. You work completed. You want to exit from that user. If you put exit, this is putty, guys. It won't not only log out, it is also close this putty because I'm the main user. So like so currently is Shiva is there, Latif is there. So I'm doing Shiva also. I'm log out, exit. So now currently only root and Latif is login. So 2 windows, 2 putties, 2 windows, single mission only. Guys, understand up to here? No sound. 17. Guys, do you got up to here? How to use putty?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So also I showed how to create a user. That's it. I am not told about other user management. Just how to create a user, how to give a password to user, and how to log in with the user. So just in case, see, I don't have a Linux PC. Even my virtual machine is not working. I'm accessing someone's PC directly. Okay. So what is where I put all the machine kind of stuff. Today I created a one. Where I created this quick access. This is the one. Location is not showing here. Location shows now. So why it is very less options? How to find the location of the file? So right click, open file location. So this is the file. Okay. So morning I told first enable. If you are not enable, it is disabled. Then you have to enable in the BIOS settings. Okay. Next one is your RAM kind of stuff. We are installed, download and install VMware workstation, and we downloaded a CentOS. Then we created virtual machine for installing our CentOS 7. Next, fourth one. So install CentOS 7. Fifth one, just to be installed and start using our Linux. One or two commands. So that is I showed. Okay. Sixth one, Putty, SSH Access, and seventh one, just create a user using user add command. Next one is login with user. Create a user, give the password, login with a user input here. Good. Now the ninth point I will tell, guys. For example, my user is the current user is Latif. For example, is a current username. Now I have a work. I got a work with a root, so I have to install something. Now I have to use the root user. Okay, so switch to root. Switch to root user. Root is a administrator of Linux. Root is a administrator of Linux. Okay, so you want to do installation settings, some access, then we need to switch it. The command is su space hyphen. Command is su space hyphen. See, this is my current account is Latif, and see who am I? I am Latif. My PWD present working directory is /home/Latif. Okay, that is my PWD. I am switching to root, guys. Su space hyphen. You are switching to normal user to root user, then it will ask a password. So I'm giving a password. Okay, so what is the password? admin@123. So it is my currently it is showing here. It is showing Latif. It is showing root. Okay. So who am I? It shows Latif only. Why it is showing Latif? It's showing root, but it is showing Latif because the originally I log in to this Putty with a Latif account only, not root account. So that's why the original account is this one. He is a temporary visitor, like a switch user, not original login. Temporary user. Take LSC, same files as that one. ls space -a. Okay, see, this is a same as we seen earlier, like .ssh, same files only as a root. Okay, if I want to create any user, I can create it. If I want to change the password for certain user, I can do it. Okay, so for example, I want to create a user. So user add. But tell some other name. So we have so many names are there. So yeah, easy name Ankit. Ankit is there. Correct? Yeah, Ankit. Okay. So pass WD Ankit. Created user also. Okay. So that is what we can able to do root, like your normal user, but you have to do something with a root user and you know the root user password. Normally root user password should not be shared to normal user. It is very secret. Root user password only we can reset if you know root user password or physical access of Linux server. You have a physical access of Linux server or you know the root password already. Then we can change the password of root. Okay. Otherwise, you cannot change it. So keep root password always important. But this a user, is a normal account is normal account, but yeah, to do certain administrative task, we need a root password only if it is available. So this is how to switch. How to come out from it? Like I want to go back to root to Latif. Exit. So this is how to switch from. So I've seen, like you can see, PWD, LS, nothing is there. LS space -a. So only this thing, but not as a root. So root has showing so many things, right? Like this, not showing like that. I'm trying to create a. I'm trying to add one more user. Ankit already used. Raju is there. It is saying what is saying it is permission denied. Cannot log like this. Try again later. Okay. So normal user cannot add a user. Root user can add a user. So that's why we went to the root and we try it. Okay. That's a small difference, at least to least difference. Root user. Next, yeah, we have Siva user, right? So I am Latif and I am this is part completed. But in a switching, there is a lot of other points also there. But here, my current user is Latif. Okay, I want to switch to other user, not root user, but different user. Other user. Example, Shivani. Okay, so how to do it? SU space hyphen Shiva. What is with hyphen? What is without hyphen? That is also better to know. Guys, with hyphen, you are switching to Shiva with a by default Shiva, what we can say, present working directory. Here, you won't get a present working directory kind of stuff. So I will show you the differences directly why you are worrying. There is a command called clear. If you press the clear, entire thing will be gone like this. All are there. It's a clear the screen. Clear command to clear the screen. Next, I want to switch to Shiva, right? Before going to Shiva, then I show my pwd/home/Latif. Switch to Shiva. Password. There it is. Now it is Shiva. But pwd check it /home/Shiva only. No files anyway. Not there. So for example, you want to create a file. I'm creating with a simple command touch yes F1. So see this, there is a file in under Shiva directory /home/Shiva and there is a file. I created a file in the Shiva directory. So I will put some message. Okay. Okay. So here it is. I switch to Shiva account. Then I do some work and complete it. I'll go back again, back to my account. Guys, understand how to switch to other account?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, so someone put a message, please. Very good. Very good. Junaid said yes. Very good. Next, without hyphen, what will happen? Without hyphen, what will happen? Okay. Before that one, I want to show ls. No files are there, or otherwise, yeah, no files are there. And pwd/home/su Shiva. Okay, and password is Shiva. See my pwd/home/Latif only. What happened? The present working directory is not switching to Shiva's home directory. My present working directory not switching to Shiva's home directory. /home/Shiva is not coming. Okay, it's not came. Okay, that is it. And LSC, you don't have a permission. Shiva don't have permission to see what is in my directory automatically. Okay, so again, su space hyphen Shiva. Okay, so I log in, see pwd, now it is there. So that is a hyphen. Hyphen means the present working directory. Present working directory. Whatever the present working directory it is. Once you switch to the user, if you are using hyphen, means that user's home directory will come. Okay. If you don't use hyphen, whatever the present working directory, same working directory will be there. Okay. So CLS file is there. Of course, we can switch the working directories. That is a different point. So this is how to create a user, how to log in with the user, how to switch a user from one user to another user. From root to other user also we can switch. Okay. From root to other users, you can switch it, guys. This is root. See, it is su hyphen Manoj. It is a Manoj login. But it is not asking password because root is a highest privileged user, is an administrator, is like a so every permission he has. Okay, is an administrator, all privileged user, right? So it does not require a password to go to another accounts. Okay, so switching to other user accounts, this is switching to root accounts only su space hyphen or su only. For coming out from that user to the previous one, exit. But if you switch a user, but it is if you switch it to a user, it does not consider that user is login user. Just it is a switch only. This is switching user. So up to here, we done. Guys, next part. So you are also here. It is. I'm in this normal user. I will show you few things like how to create a folder, how to create a file, creating a file kind of stuff. We'll see how to create a file, how to delete a file, then how to create a directory and how to delete a directory, copy files, moving files. That we will complete. At least some part we will complete today. Then we will leave. Okay, so take a break. And stop recording.